Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Off Axis Builds. Tonight we're going to be doing the 3 rear windows, and if there's time I'm going to get the 2 quarter panels in. Debating whether or not to paint the quarter panels with the same detail that I have on the roof and the sides, but we'll see. I'm going to take a look at it before I install them, but for now we're going to definitely get those windows in and get the rear end of the car finished up. All right, guys, let's get her done.
Quarter panels.
Alright guys, so in order to get this window on, you're going to need to lift up this small little crack right here. Okay?
Cool.
And you're going to put a piece of rope in all the way around. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Now, why would you put a rope in?
Good question, buddy. The rope actually helps it get her over the metal flange on the car. We'll show you when we go to install it. Otherwise, you'll be fighting it all the way around.
Oh.
So because this is a brand new seal, I'm not reusing a seal, it's going to be a little difficult getting it in there. Now you can hand do it, or you can get a small plastic tool. So you can get a small plastic tool and just open up the seal ahead of you. So I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit of water in there.
Technically, it's not water. Water is that bright blue.
Alright guys, so we got the driver's side window in. It was a pain to get in. I didn't show on camera because I wanted to do it the first time. Never put one of these windows in. I think it took how many times?
Like 14, 15?
14 or 15 times to get it right. After we figured it out, it went in pretty simple, but it was really tough. Not to mention, the rubber is brand new, so it's a little stiff.
Plus, there's a little gap, so...
Yes.
And it looked kind of ugly, so we need to take it out like 14 times, put back in, take it out, put more of that blue spray on it, take it out, put the rope back in, take the rope
so
back
it was,
in.
as you can tell, it was a long process. My son is pretty tired from putting this first one in, but we're going to get that second one in, get that one on camera so you guys can see how much trouble we actually went through. Hopefully, not as much as this one, but... hopefully it'll go right in. We'll see. Let's get
Windows, boo.
Well, we still have the passenger window and the front window to put in. Not today, but we do. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit of water in there.
Basically, it's not water. Water is that bright blue.
Thanks for my son's help. We got both driver's side and passenger side window in.
It was big pain. A big pain. Very big pain. Just to get two in, we'd take it off like 15, 14, 16, 17, 18 times.
All right, guys. Thanks for joining us on another project here. Got the 2/4 panel windows in, and thanks to my son's help. It was not easy. Definitely can be done, but I'm not a window guy. Neither is my son, obviously. So we did what we could. We got them in. They look great. We fought it all the way, and you probably see that on camera quite a bit. But anyways, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Remember, guys, it's always
Built, not bought.
all right, guys. See you on the next one.